In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new chat in the Gemini app on iPhone. Let's jump right in. With the Gemini app already installed on your iPhone, begin by opening the app from your home screen. Give it a second to load, especially if your connection is slower. A stable internet connection helps Gemini respond quickly. If the app prompts you for any permissions or shows a brief welcome screen, just follow the on-screen guidance so you land on the main interface. Once you're on the app's home screen, look to the top left corner and tap the three horizontal lines, often called the hamburger menu. This menu is your hub for navigating the app. If you don't see it, make sure you're not already inside a conversation. Use the back arrow to return to the home screen so the menu icon is visible in the top left. In the menu that appears, tap New Chat. You'll recognize it by the pencil on paper icon next to it. Selecting New Chat is your quickest way to start a fresh conversation thread, which is helpful if you want to keep topics separate. Work questions in one chat, personal learning in another, and so on. If the menu is long, you might need to scroll a bit to spot it, but it's typically near the top. After you tap New Chat, a blank chat opens automatically. You'll see an empty message field at the bottom and a clean space above where your conversation will appear. This blank canvas is where everything you ask and Gemini's replies will live, so it's easy to review and continue later. Now tap Ask Gemini and start asking your questions. You can type directly into the message field, and if you see a microphone or camera icon, those are optional tools you can use if available. For the best results, be as clear and specific as you can. Instead of help with project, try help me outline a 3-minute presentation about sustainable packaging for a small business. If Gemini's first answer isn't exactly what you had in mind, refine it with a follow-up like, make it more concise, or add 3 bullet-style talking points. You can also ask for examples, definitions, summaries, or step-by-step guidance, and reference earlier messages to build on the same topic. That's it. Open Gemini, tap the hamburger menu, choose New Chat, and when the blank chat appears, tap Ask Gemini to begin. Keep your questions focused, iterate with follow-ups, and you'll get helpful results faster. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new chat in Gemini.